In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Jobber. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can confidently pull your client information out of Jobber for reporting, backups, or moving data into another system. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to your Jobber account on a reliable desktop browser. If your company uses roles and permissions, you may need admin or equivalent access to export data. First, head to Jobber and open your dashboard. This is your home base where you can see an overview of your work. Give the page a moment to fully load so all navigation items appear correctly in the sidebar. Next, click on Clients in the sidebar. This takes you to your full client list. Think of this page as the master record of everyone you do business with: names, contact details, and associated account information. If you manage a large book of business, don't worry. Jobber is designed to handle sizable lists. Keep in mind that what you export will reflect the data stored for your clients, so it's a good idea to be aware of any internal naming conventions or fields your team relies on. Now, look for the More Actions button on the client's page. Click it to open a small menu of options. From here, you can choose whether you want to export or import data. Since we're taking information out of Jobber, select the Export option. When you do, Jobber will prepare a file, typically a CSV, that your browser can download. Depending on the size of your client list, this may take a few seconds. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a secure, organized folder so you can find it later, especially if you'll be sharing it with teammates or uploading it into another platform. Once your CSV is saved, you can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet tool. You'll see column headers that match your client fields in Jobber, which makes sorting, filtering, and reporting straightforward. Treat the file as sensitive business data. Store it securely, follow your company's data retention policies, and only share it with people who truly need access. If you accidentally click the import option instead of export, simply back out of that screen. You don't need to proceed with any changes. That's it. You went to Jobber, opened the client's area, and used More Actions to access the export tool. With your CSV in hand, you're ready to analyze your client base, create custom reports, or migrate data as needed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.